Good evening, traders. How you all doing? Holding up? I didn't do a video this morning due to other obligations, but I thought I'd come in here real quickly and update some of you on the current situation. All right, so let's start with our index stock market because we are doing some funny things here. Friday, we closed above this resistance level. I said, maybe I will start raising my eyebrows a little bit and respecting these bulls. Except today, we opened and closed below that resistance. NASDAQ, still above the 50-day, have not conquered this territory. Dow, same thing. Friday, we closed above resistance. This is just kind of funny to me because they are playing mind games with us. And really, guys, it doesn't take that much to move this market. All you have to do is keep Apple and Amazon up. So juice those two, and it's hard for the rest of the market to fall when Apple's going up, when Amazon is going up. All right. So remains to be seen. We're still in the channel. That's still bullish, but we can't seem to close above that resistance. So that's concerning. Let's jump over to Bitcoin dominance. Came down and around, now heading back up. Bitcoin dominance is growing stronger. Bitcoin itself looks to be struggling ish. I mean, we got a lot of volume down here, and as I've said many times in the past videos, this is huge support. It would literally take something pretty apocalyptic for us to break through all these levels of support. I exaggerate a little bit here with that statement, but all that to say, I think we are near our bottom. At least that's what all the charts are showing me. And if we jump back over to our index stocks, our indexes, I mean, we're still in these channels, so still bullish. And I could see tomorrow having a green day. I could see it going back up. I could see the Dow maybe not going back up below that resistance, but kind of ending up right on that line just to confuse everybody a little bit more. But as far as the rest of these cryptos go, I think we're really nearing the bottom here. Look at Ethereum. It's come all the way back down to its neckline here. Still on the bullish side of the neckline, but that is neutral territory. This is funny stuff, guys, because they're playing mind games again. They've got the psychological campaigns in full swing here in the crypto space. I don't have our VIX up here, but our VIX did spike a little bit. You know, the one thing that's kind of confusing me is the dollar is strong, and it's growing stronger. And typically that indicates when the dollar goes up, then markets typically go down. It's an inverse correlation. Because a strong dollar is, you won't get an inflated price with that, right? So it's typically the way it works. So again, we're still going to have to watch all of this carefully. Let's roll through some cryptos here. Today's crypto interest. All right, I didn't really change much. I haven't been looking at the chart too much today because I have, like I said, been obligated to other things. But Matic. So we have our answer here. Remember, previously, did not know if we're going to come back down, touch this trend line before proceeding to our target, or if we were going to go to our target first and then come back down, touch our trend line, and then go up. all right, or break down. I don't know, one of those two. But either way, I wasn't sure what it was going to do. Well, we have our answer. It's here we are, touched the trend line exactly. Look at that. You cannot. This is why I do technical analysis. This stuff plays out perfectly, especially in the crypto markets. It's such a pure form of psychology. There's no outside influences, manipulation. There's no playing with people's. I mean, there is, but it's a more pure form of market analysis, and that's why I love it. I mean, Matic touched perfectly that trend line in coincidence with the neckline of our cup and handle over here, which is major support. I expect us to go back up. And really, that's what I'm seeing on almost all of the charts, Bitcoin included, Ethereum included. We've touched major supports. We could have one quick shakeout tonight, guys, but I think by the end of tomorrow and starting on Wednesday, we're going to start to see an upward trajectory in these crypto markets. ADA, major support down here. It's always getting blended in there with the volume indicator, but this is major support. If we do have one last shakeout, we could come down here and then come up real quickly. Guys, if we do have one more shakeout, it's going to be quick and furious, all right? It's just enough to stop out a few more triggers so that those that would want to take advantage of low prices are able to do so. It's not, I don't expect us just to keep dropping like this. This is quite a market sell-off that we've had in the crypto space. ZEC is right on 200-day moving average. It's kind of what I anticipated it would do. I mean, again, we have one last shakeout, could come down and then back up. But as for me, in my Substack subscribers already know that I have entered back into this market pretty fully invested. Dogecoin, not sure what's going on here. I don't really like this below this support. It's a long ways down to the next one. I've pointed this out. I think our next support is down here at 7 cents. Really? That's a long ways. You could have a couple minor supports halfway in between. This might be one of them. But still, I don't know. You really don't want to be entering at this level. Maybe down here. Or if you see us pop back up this resistance, above that resistance at 16.8 cents. Solana. So where was the zoom level I was at previously? Yeah, right here. All right, so see all the volume? Coincides right here. That is major support. And we could turn around, head back up very soon. HNT, just below major support. I really don't expect this to go much lower. But again, as with all of these cryptos, all of them, we have just enough space for one last shakeout. So we could come down, touch that 200-day before proceeding back up. All right, almost there, guys. Like, you wouldn't be wrong to start investing capital here at these areas and just hold through the last shakeout. Theta, under major support. Look for us to come back above that. I don't like Theta down where it's at right now, but it is in big time oversold territory. So as with all of these coins, we're really getting oversold. Not all of them, but most of them. OXT on major support. It'd take a lot for us to break down and go to our final target down here. But you can see on the RSI we do have room to do that. So it's a possibility. UMA, below support. We need to come back up and capture that support again, or that's trouble. Jasmine, you guys know, and I've said and made posts that we're possibly coming down to 7 cents. We're almost there. Now, I put out several posts this weekend saying that I was going to enter at 0.0737. Honestly, guys, and my Substack subscribers know this, I put out a trade post yesterday, was it? Or today? Maybe it was today, this morning. I chickened out. I didn't want to wait for us to come down 737. And when I say I chickened out, that means I think we're having a big pump coming soon into January and February. I don't want to miss out on that. So I am entering, by and large, most of my cash reserves, if not all. And Jasmine was one of these. I don't really want to take a chance for a penny and miss out on this huge move to the upside, which is coming. And it's the same way on all of these. You can hold out if you want. If you got that kind of gut, do it. All more power to you. You'll get a great deal, and it could very well come down to 7 cents. I just don't want to take that kind of a risk, because look at gaining a penny versus losing, what, 27 cents is my first target and 39 cents my second target. Losing all that? No way. I'm not going to take that chance. So I am entering. BAT, same thing. I said buy target was 89 cents. That's a long ways down. And again, we have elbow room on all of these, just like we do on Bitcoin, Ethereum. Every chart I look at, we have elbow room to have one final shakeout. If the market manipulators want to do that, they have that space to do that. I'll just hold through it. I don't want to take the chance of missing any upside potential on any of these. LTC, we've come all the way down to major support. So there's not much room on that one. And our RSI indicates we're in oversold territory. Again, these things are ready to pump. Altcoins are ready to pump soon. It's going to happen, guys. And you know, another indicator, I've said this before, another indicator that this is going to happen. Not that there's that many likes on my video in the first place, but I always notice the amount of likes goes way down. And if I get any comments, it's the trolls telling me I'm an idiot for buying here, that this is a bear market, etc., etc. I don't see that on any of my charts. But you guys, if you want to test that theory, look down in the comments section, wherever you are, Rumble, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, here, TradingView. If you see troll comments, you'll understand what I'm talking about, and you'll know. In fact, let's take a look at our fear greed index right now. Let's see. Why am I not thinking of the site? Oh, I switched over to alternative. Switched over to a new machine, so I don't have it bookmarked. Crypto. We're at 21 right now, so we do have some room. That makes total sense in correlation with the charts. We could have one final flush, one final dump before this altcoin bull market really starts heating up. All the crypto market starts heating up into January and February. And it's coming, guys. It is coming. It's not going to be like it was the last year where we have our bull peak at the end of December. Um, and, 2017, 2018, all of that, it's not going to happen this time. Our bull period is going to be extended because we have institutional investors in this place right now, and that changes things. That changes everything. BCH's got some room. Audio under major support. Really don't like where it's at there, but it looks like we do have some more support right here, so we're almost there. Again, still some room to drop, but you're talking pennies at this point. And if you believe, like I do, that a major bull market is coming very soon, you're not going to want to risk those few pennies. Another one I've got on my list here, Wrapped Luna USD. That is on Coinbase. You can find that on Coinbase now. I like this potential here. This is big time, big support. Great buy right there. Of course, we could flush again, just like everything else, down to this volume indicator and go up. If you want to take that chance, that's up to you. If you believe a bull market is coming like I do, why? Why take that chance and miss out on all this upside opportunity? Because when it comes, it's going to surprise a lot of people. And when it surprises a lot of people, what happens? Fear of missing out, right? Everybody was not expecting it. They're all in cash. They see the market move majorly to the upside, and they want a piece of the action. So they're going to get in, and they're going to get in quickly. So guys, watch this. We're close. I'm telling you, within a day or two, we're going to start to see things moving up. My bet is before the weekend. Now, they could drag it out till about Thursday or Friday, and then we're in a state of unknowingness again because crypto is following that index market, Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, QQQ, FANG stocks. We're following all of that. And so we could be held in limbo again for a whole nother weekend. But my guess is that time is running out and it's coming soon. And for me, I've personally chosen to enter almost fully, if not fully, back into this market. My Substack subscribers know the answer to that question, and they know each trade I'm in. And you can too, by subscribing at studamas.substack.com. Easy, right? Even $50. If you want to peek behind the curtain, see what I'm owning, see what I'm in, see where I'm making my money. When I sell, when I exit, follow my trades, do that. You're welcome. Welcome to do that. Not selling anything, you can just see what I'm trading. All right? That's it. That's what I'm offering. All right, guys, take care. Be careful out there. Still precarious. We don't know where we're going. One final drop, one final flush. The bots are going to set off these stop triggers. Everybody's going to sell out with one final panic. We got some room on the fear greed index. We've been all the way down to, I think, 11 before. 11 it might be the lowest I've ever seen it. I know we've been lower than that, but 11 is the lowest I've seen it since I've been watching this. So we got some room to flush, and all the charts are showing me that. And that's definitely a strong possibility. However, at this point, as I've stated numerous times already in this video, I really don't want to take a chance for that. I'm just going to buy and hold through. All right. Wish you the best. See ya.